Hey creators, let's see how to get super accurate try-on results in Caimera, especially when you're working with garments that are a bit tricky to achieve in one mask. Start by picking your base image. As you can see, this outfit has complex elements, like the neckline and asymmetric cuts, which can confuse a single mask. Instead of struggling with one giant mask, break it into smaller sections, masking each part separately, like neckline and hemline, or either you can choose different sections on the garment, one by one. Click Shoot after each mask and let AI create magic. It will render your try-on more accurately, matching fabric flow, light, and shape. Use high-resolution images for better auto-detection. Mask sheer, lace, or asymmetrical areas separately. Don't rush. Be patient. The better your mask, the better the output. Upscale your AI-generated try-on image and share it with the world. Check out the output. Try smarter, mask better with Caimera.